I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Wednesday, the 20th of October. A nice, refreshing continental air mass is dropped into the state today. That's going to set the stage for great weather for the next few days, but big changes next week. Now, let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots. First off, from Inverness. That's up at the Wingate Inn overlooking Highway 280, a cloudless sky. Temperatures mostly in the 70s, mid-70s around here. Look at that blue sky up in Fayette County. That's gorgeous, coming from the Skycam in downtown Fayette as we look at the Fayette County Courthouse. And always a pretty scene. That's the campus of Auburn University. The scene from the Skycam down in Lee County. A slightly big football game down there this weekend. Weather, by the way, looks fine for that. There's the water vapor satellite shot. Trough over the east, helping to deliver the cool, dry air. Upper level low, still located down to the southeast of San Diego, southwest of Phoenix, producing some unsettled weather for the southwest. Temperatures this afternoon are in the 70s. They range from 71 at Haleyville to 78 at Montgomery. Birmingham at 76 degrees at 2 o'clock. We'll see numbers similar to that tomorrow. And around the nation, looks like the color scheme is more the winter scheme here. It looks awfully warm, but it's really not. In fact, temperature's pretty comfortable around the nation. The really cold air is sitting up there over eastern Canada. Some spots at 2 o'clock are below freezing. And we'll keep an eye on that air mass for sure. Now, we only have one day with a severe weather risk defined for the next 5 days, and that is on day 3, which is Friday. The standard risk over parts of North Texas, central Oklahoma, and southern Kansas. And we'll be watching that system because that will impact Alabama Monday of next week. And by golly, there might be a few strong, maybe severe storms. Of course, depends on how the whole thing plays out. Now, this is the rain valid through Monday morning at 7 o'clock, showing hardly anything here. We think the bulk of the showers and storms will come just after this period, Monday afternoon, Monday night. And there might be a shower Sunday, but they should be fairly widely spaced. Tropical weather outlook. The guys at NHC have a 70% chance of the Caribbean system getting its act together. And if this becomes a tropical storm, the name would be Richard. And the modeling is fairly consistent. Most of the better dynamic models kind of hang that thing around for about 48 hours, then drift it back over towards Central America, which I think is the right solution. You got a few outliers there, but the bottom line is it does not look like a problem for the Gulf. And because it is farther away now from the coast of Central America, some of the models ramp this thing up to a major hurricane in 5 days. So we'll watch that. We'll look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Nice trough over the northeast. Upper low that's a little east of Phoenix, and we have a northwest flow aloft. Should be a beautiful day. A bright, sunny sky with temperatures up in the mid to upper 70s. Maybe 80, in fact. In fact, the latest guidance that's come in is suggesting a high close to 80. Pretty much the same thing on Friday. A cool morning, a warm afternoon, bright sunshine. Saturday starting off the weekend. No rain issues here. We'll call it partly sunny as the winds veer into the south, the high close to 80. Now, Sunday, we've got a strong shortwave off to the west, coming into West Texas. Got a southwest flow aloft here, and we're going to mention the chance of a shower Sunday afternoon or Sunday night. It should be pretty widely scattered, nothing widespread. And then Monday, look at the trough going negative tilt coming in here. And when you see something like that, that might suggest the chance of strong, maybe even severe storms on Monday. Whatever, we'll mention a good chance of showers and storms Monday and Monday night. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts could be 1 inch or more in spots. And you know we'll take that. Now, Tuesday of next week, the moisture lingers. The initial wave is on by. Looks like kind of a cloudy-ish day, maybe a few scattered showers. And a week from today, the same thing. There's no dynamic lift, but a very moist air mass stays in place with a surface front stalled just north of here. So maybe a few scattered showers. But look at Thursday of next week. Another good trough develops off to the west, and here comes another round of rain and storms. So this run is suggesting next week we'll have a good round of rain and thunderstorms Monday, another one Thursday. And then the following day, Friday the 29th, turns awfully chilly. Look at the trough over the east. The rain is gone. Nice cold air advection. That would suggest highs only in the 60s. And by golly, that might get us down to near the freezing mark the next morning on Saturday the 30th. You know, that idea has been kind of waffling back and forth, but now it's kind of back on the table. We'll go deeper into the forecast. This is the 2nd of November, another trough to the west, another storm event there. Surface low near the shoals. And again, that could pack a punch, maybe some severe weather. You can see we're clearly making the transition now into a more active weather pattern. And 3 days later, look at the trough over the east on November 5th. Mercy. How about some snowflakes there, huh? If this is right, underneath the cold trough, we could see a few snow flurries if this is right. Highs only maybe in the 40s. Goodness. So definitely clear signs that more active and interesting weather is not that far off. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.